So let's see if we can get you laughing early this morning. We have some pictures and video that we're going to react to. Producer said hopefully the reaction is laughter.
Okay, so let's see.
Let's see. But have mercy. When you crash your motorcycle and your crush is walking by, so you're like, sup?
I'm sure Chef did not feel that way.
Are somebody that really lied on the ground?
Yeah. But I had the slippers kick off my foot, but instead I put on him best fit.
Oh, dear Lord.
Okay. Right home.
Oh.
The lies.
Is a butter cookie tin, but and a butter cookie in the
Oh
tin?
gosh, regular thing that's in the
Everybody, come on, tread.
Storage all the way.
What I'm concerned about is what is the combination of things in the tin.
What is that? Thread?
Why that look like thread and then that look like one dumpling?
It does though.
Eh?
Oh, it's a roll. It's a bread
It's
roll.
not a dumpling, is what? That's something to eat. Why you not put something to eat with thread?
It is a roll.
No, so somebody at work, something in that house. Go to church. Oh, you look when you wake up and the charger wasn't plugged in.
I don't have that problem.
Church notice. Do not leave your mobiles, purses, wallets, handbags unattended. Others may think it is an answer to their prayers.
Lord, you see me come to church, broke, and you leave your purse beside me. Thank you, Jesus. It is not yours.
Rent not pay.
Priceless. This is now we're talking Heineken, beer, Guinness, Smirnoff, soda, all flavor. Boom, water. I mean, read this? Cigarette, no trusting.
No. Can I tell you?
No trusting if you were thinking.
Can I tell you? That's the most interesting way I've ever seen Heineken spell in my entire life.
I feel like it's
Go back to the list there. No, Heineken. That's somebody there. No, phonetics.
Could
no
be EYE.
Heineken.
No trusting.
No, boom. What is this person doing?
Okay.
My iron. No, hold on. I know my cousin used to tell me that they would use the home sweet home lamp shade to iron. Yeah, hot water. Then all the pots stay at Caddy, hot water in the pot.
But it's working. Bonnie, good there, sir. But look at this is working.
No, oh God. You see later we're going to talk about if you live with people before you're married to them. That man you have to marry to.
If you can do this day, he can.
That man you have to marry to. If your light cut off, if you know an appliance, them kind of money you want in your house.
He's innovative.
Yes.
For sure.
Yes.
Okay.
May God bless him with a good woman.
And a good iron.
But question, if him not no light, suppose he not no water.
So is that girl talk?
Where am I going to put in on the pot?
Let's explore this after the news.
That's not why you rush me. Me just find a good husband for you. You see you rush me? Me I tell you about